Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Drop app. First, download the free Drop app from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, securely link your existing credit and debit cards. This allows Drop to automatically track your purchases and award points. Explore the personalized offers from hundreds of your favorite brands, ensuring you never miss out on potential savings and rewards. It's a simple and effective way to start earning. Earning rewards with Drop is incredibly easy. Once your cards are linked, you'll automatically accumulate points when you shop at participating stores, without needing to scan anything. Keep an eye out for exciting bonus offers within the app, which can significantly boost your point balance. These special promotions often provide opportunities to earn 5 times or even 10 times the usual points, helping you reach your redemption goals faster. To truly maximize your Drop rewards, make it a habit to check the app regularly. New and expiring offers are updated frequently, so staying informed ensures you capture every opportunity. Don't forget to invite your friends. When they sign up using your unique referral code, both of you can earn a generous bonus of 5,000 points. Additionally, participate in fun challenges and quick surveys for even more points, enhancing your earning potential. Redeeming your hard-earned points is the most exciting part. You can exchange your accumulated points for gift cards to hundreds of popular retailers, with options starting from just $25. Simply browse the extensive selection within the app and choose your desired gift card. If you ever have questions or encounter an issue, the in-app support team is readily available to provide assistance, ensuring a smooth and rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.